Hi there, Kevin with MBT, here to talk to you about what to do if a factory that you're doing business with is shut down. Is this a lost opportunity? No, it is instead a new opportunity because those factories are going to need to come back into operation. And when they come back into operation, things might leak. And that is where MBT sorbent products can prove their worth. An oil-only sorbent can be used to clean up a machine that might be leaking. A universal sorbent can be used to catch any drip, be it water or oil-based liquids. And spill kits, well, they can carry either type, and they are perfect for a quick deployment to any spill site. Who do you talk to about your spill control needs in a factory? You can talk to the operations manager, you can talk to the safety manager, you can talk to the maintenance manager, and you can talk to the fire chief. These individuals will know what their company's needs are and where the danger sites are as well. You can introduce them to their need for universal, oil-only, and chemical sorbents. Every company out there has a need for spill control. Talk to them about MBT sorbents and spill kits and see where they're needed in their factories. Sorbents are products that are always needed but very rarely asked about. Every customer is an opportunity, and every company has a need for sorbents. MBT is always available for consultation to help determine your customer's sorbent needs, and we're always happy to give a helping hand. This is Kevin with MBT, signing off.